Hey, it's Forrest. I just thought I'd throw a quick video up concerning the insurance in revolving around trucking. I know a lot of you out there probably already know a lot about insurance because you already have insurance, but it can be very sensitive. I mean, we had a truck one time that the guy left his metal clipboard on the truck, on the trailer by mistake. It came off, hit a car. It caused like $800 worth of damage. Stupidly, it got turned into the insurance company. We should have just paid it right off the bat, but the insurance company got involved. The lady, we had to give the insurance to her because of the trooper. But either way, it doesn't really matter. But the insurance went up pretty good. So typically, the way your insurance works is over time it does reduce. And most insurance companies work about the same time schedule. They're almost all the same. In fact, probably if you looked in the background of it, you find there's probably only a handful of underwriters that actually work in the insurance industry for trucking. Anyhow, so the benchmarks in the insurance are typically the first year you'll see, if no bad things happen, in the first year you'll see a small reduction. After the second year, another reduction. After the third year is typically the biggest reduction. So the first year you get a little bit, second year a little bit more than you got the first year, but the third year is typically the one they say, okay, all right, this person seems to know what they're doing. And that's typically where you see the most reduction down. But again, no tickets, no accidents, no stupidness, no claims, no anything. And a lot of times if you have trucking insurance, unless you're with Berkshire Hathaway or Progressive or one of those large ones, which again, you're really paying a lot of money for, but usually there's a second carrier on there for the cargo insurance. So sometimes you can, let's say you had some sort of cargo damage happen and you reported it. Let me just say this to you, and I'm going to repeat this a couple of times. If you've got cargo damage, you should pay it out of pocket. Because let me tell you what, think about it like this in terms of money. If you have damage to a vehicle, and it's $1,000, it's $1,500 damage. First of all, most of your cargo insurance, most people are carrying a $1,000 deductible anyway. So if it's $1,000, you're going to pay it anyhow. Don't report it to the insurance company. Just go ahead and pay it out of pocket. It's the smartest way to go. Now, if you have a claim that's $1,500, $2,000, again, if that insurance goes up, let's just say it goes up $100 a month, and you can guarantee that's going to go at least $100 a month. But if it goes up $100 a month, that's $1,200 a year. In 2 years, that's $2,400. If you plan on driving for 5 years or 10 years, and it goes up $1,200 a year, you've spent $12,000 now on insurance if you drive 10 more years after that. Now, people say, well, it drops off after 7. You try that. You know what? Good luck trying to get it to drop off after 7. They always see that rating is much higher and that whatever you're paying for. And then they want to know about the liability roll. In other words, what happened? And so if you got this thing hanging on you, I guarantee you're going to wish that you had just went ahead and paid out of pocket. I refer to that time we had a clipboard fall off a truck. And man, we wish we'd have paid out of pocket. The insurance went up like $300 a month just because of an $800 or $1,000 claim or whatever it was. It was crazy. And so, again, with your insurance, if you keep it clean, the first year you see a percentage drop. The second year you see a percentage drop. But the third year is where that percentage drop is really the greatest. So you got to make sure you keep your nose clean that first 3 years so you can get that. And typically, even if you have a claim after that 3 years, you're not going to feel it as bad, right? Because you were already paying $2,800 a month for insurance, and now you're down to $1,400 a month for insurance. So even if it goes back up $300 a month, you're only back to $17. You're already making money at $28. So trust me, that's the way it goes. Anyway, just a short video. Thank you.